Happy morning children, welcome to the class of a second standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the third unit, subtraction. Children, today we are going to see the word problems, third 3.5. Before that, let me teach the mental math sums in page number 48. So in mental math sums they given as a fill in the blanks. Find the missing number, that's a thing. So let me explain the sums now. The mental math sums we will do it in the book as well as in the CW children. First one is 8 plus dash equal to 16. So 8 in a mind, one more number we are going to add with that. The answer should be 16. So 8 after, leave your finger and say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Count your finger. How many finger you left now? 8. So 8 plus 8 will get the answer of 16. This is one model. Another model is there. You can subtract also. Using subtraction also we can do. 16 minus 8, 8. That also we can do. But which one is easy for you? Addition is adding way is easy for you. You can do the addition way. Coming to the second sum, 9 plus dash equal to 13. 9 plus which number will when we'll add we'll get 13 means 9 in your mind. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers you left now? 4 fingers. So 9 plus 4, 13. Next third sum. Third sum, 14 plus dash equal to 26. See children, if it is a bigger number is coming, what you have to do? Write in the rough column and do the subtraction. 26 minus 14 equal to, write the rough column and do the sum. Finally, you can write the answer here, 12. Next, fourth sum. Dash plus 3 equal to 20. So, if it is a small numbers, you can count with your finger itself. Otherwise, you can use rough column and do the sum. Okay, children. So 3 plus which number will get to 20 means we don't know. So you have to write the 20 in the rough column. 20 minus 3. The bigger number minus smaller number will get the answer. So 20 minus 3 you can write and do the subtraction. The answer is 17. Fifth sum. 5 plus dash equal to 11. So which is smaller number you can count it in your finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 is the answer. So 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Next is sixth sum. 15 plus dash is equal to 20. 15 of mine, after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 fingers when we are adding, we will get to 20. Next is seventh sum. 16 plus dash is equal to 46, which is the bigger number. So you can write it in the rough column and do the subtraction. 46 minus 16. So the answer is 30. Eighth one, dash plus 7 equal to 27. So which is bigger number? You can write in the rough column. 27 minus 7 will get 20. See children, if the number is missing, from the first number is missing, otherwise the second number is missing, you can do the subtraction. The bigger answer is there, no? You can subtract from the answer. Answer lerந்து என்ன பண்ணு சின்ன நம்பரை மைனஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இன்னொரு நம்பர் என்னன்றது உங்களால் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ 27ல் 7 மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னா we get 20. That you can write it in the rough column and find the answer. Next, ninth one. 7 plus dash is equal to 15. This is small number. You can keep it in your mind and say the counting. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers you left now? 8 fingers. Okay, so 7 plus 8, 15. Next, 9 plus dash is equal to 20. So 20 minus 9 also you can do. Otherwise 9 plus which number when we are adding will get 20. In both way you can do. Okay children. Next 11th question. 20 plus dash is equal to 54. This you can do the subtraction. 54 minus 20. The biggest number, the answer should be subtracted with the one number. We'll get the another number. Next 12th sum. Dash plus 14 equal to 31. Here also you can take the bigger number 31 and subtract one number. We will get the another number. This is the mental max sum children. For small number is there, you can count your finger and do. Otherwise, do this using subtraction. You can write in the rough column and write the answer alone in the missing column. Now we can go to the 3.5 exercise. Before that, we should understand what is word problem, what are the things we have to keep it in our mind. Here they given in your book also 5 steps. First step is read the question 2 times. Second step, underline the important information. Third step, what do you have to do solve the problem, maybe addition or subtraction. Fourth step, solve the problem. Fifth step, check your answer. These 5 steps you should have in your mind when we are dealing with the word problem. Next one is learning by doing. In page number 50, we have one tabular column. Work with your partner, draw an apple. If you have add, draw an mango if you have subtracted. So this is a discussion thing. You have to get a help from your parents also. You can draw mango or apple in this column, what I did here also. Okay children, you have to draw. So first one is Jenny has 4 red rows, 5 yellow rows. How many rows Jenny in all? In all is the clue word. So we have to do the addition. What we have to do the addition for drawing is apple. You can draw an apple and color it. Next one is Granny has 15 bangles. Mother has 10 bangles. How many more bangles that Granny has? They wanted to do the difference. So it is subtraction. You can draw mango. Third one is there are 60 seats in the theater. 25 seats are empty. How many seats are filled? So here also we are going to find it out a difference. So you can draw mango. Fourth one is I have 7 red ribbons, 5 green ribbons. How many I have in all? In all is a clue word for addition. So you have to draw apple. Next one is there are 24 birds in a tree. 6 birds fly away. How many birds are left? Left is the keyword for finding the difference. So you have to draw the mango. Now we have exercise 3.5. We have 3 word problems. I will explain one by one. Listen carefully children. First thing is read the question 2 times. Second thing is you have to identify. Third thing is you have to underline the important points. Fourth thing is you have to solve the question. Fifth thing is you have to check your answer. So first let me go to the exercise solution. First question, Goldilocks saw 18 flowers in the forest. Of them, 9 flowers were pink. How many flowers were not pink? That is the question. So some of the flowers are there. In that particular flowers are pink in color. Some are different in color. So how many flowers not in pink? That is the question. So understand the question and underline the important point. The total number of flowers we have 18. Number of pink flowers we have 9. These 2 points are the important points you have to underline. Third thing is solution. Number of flowers in the forest equal to 18. Number of pink flowers is equal to 9. You can subtract 18 minus 9 right in the rough column, or you can do it directly here. So whenever we are writing the word problem, the equal sign must be in equal order. This is very important. Okay children, the answer is therefore number of flowers not pink. Okay, how many not in pink means we have to do the subtraction. 18 minus 9, 9. So 9 flowers are pink and remaining 9 flowers are indifferent. Second question. Neera watched Discovery for 30 minutes. Then she watched A Jungle Book in HBO. If she watched the television for 85 minutes, for how long did she watch the Jungle Book? That is the question. So totally she watched the television for 85 minutes. That is 1 point. And Discovery alone she watched for 30 minutes. That is second point. Using this important points, we are going to find it out. The next thing, Jungle Book watching time. So the solution, time taken by Neera watch TV 85 minutes. Time taken for watching Discovery equal to 30 minutes. Therefore, time taken for watch the Jungle Book equal to, do the subtraction, 85 minus 30. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. So 55 minutes she watched the Jungle Book in HBO. The third and the final question in this unit is, Sheena's aunt bought a box of lead pencil for rupees 32. She also bought a box of color pencils for rupees 58. How much did she spend in all? That is the question. In all is the clue word for addition. So this sum we are going to do the addition. First solution. Cost of the lead pencil equal to rupees 32. Cost of the color pencil equal to rupees 58. Therefore, total amount equal to, do the addition, ones place number 2 plus 8. 2 in your mind, take 8 finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 and 1 should be carry over. Now 10th place number, 1 plus 3 plus 5. It is 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5. 4 in your mind, take 5 finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 90. So total amount she spent is 90 rupees. That's it children. We completed the exercise 3.5 and the unit third unit. Next week we will see the new unit with a new interesting topic. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.